President Emerson Mnangagwa is appointed former Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General retired Philip Valerius under the ruling ZANU-PF Politburo with immediate effect, a move likely intensify ongoing succession speculation and factional battles within the party. Sabina Mashkobdanyu Kachinzi enters General Philip Valerius and Adobe subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibutamao Mobdanyu Kamchinzi. The appointment announced by ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity Christopher Mnangagwa comes at a time when internal contestation over President Mnangagwa's eventual successor continues to simmer, despite the repeated public denials by senior party officials. Political analysts say Zivanda's entry into the Politburo could strengthen Mnangagwa's influence within both the party and security establishment, given the retired general's long-standing ties to the president and his strategic role during the military-assisted transition that removed former President Robert Mugabe in November 2017. Zvanda is also viewed in some political circles as a potential compromise figure in future succession calculations due to his Liberation War credentials, military background, and perceived close relationship with Mnangagwa, who also draws significant political support from the region. However, no official indication has been made that he is being positioned to succeed the president. The appointment is expected to add another layer to ZANU-PF's factional dynamics, which have persisted since the 2017 military intervention that ended Mugabe's nearly 4-decade rule. Since then, the ruling party has witnessed recurring tensions between allies of Vice President Chiwenga and those aligned to Mnangagwa, and amid speculation over who could eventually take over leadership of the party and government. Doma developments are kudapangwa ine. In the comment section, medu zofundo aim to deep on so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.